Should I say large or big? If you are talking about the size of something, you can use either one. They mean the same thing. Large is just a bit more formal. But when we have a quantity word, such as amount, number, or percent, we usually use large, not big. For example, I would usually say, I gave him a large amount of money, not I gave him a big amount of money. But big can also mean important, powerful, or serious. We do not usually use large this way. For example, tomorrow's a big day for me. That means tomorrow is an important day for me. Or, there is a big problem. That means that there is a very serious problem. So yeah, when talking about size, they mean the same thing. But when we have a quantity word, we usually use large. And when we mean important, serious, or powerful, we usually use big.